How to deactivate and delete a WordPress plugin. As with themes, removing old and unused plugins is good practice that helps protect your WordPress website from vulnerabilities. Log into the admin dashboard and go to Plugins. Click on Installed Plugins from the pop-out menu. You can view all the deactivated and active plugins for the website. To deactivate a plugin, simply click that option below the plugin name. The plugin is deactivated, however, it is still available and can be reactivated by clicking the Activate button whenever you want. If you won't use the plugin again, delete by clicking the Delete option and then OK. A successfully deleted message will appear. If you want to deactivate or delete plugins in bulk, select them and use bulk actions. Select the bulk action you want to apply and click the Apply button. Click OK in the confirmation window to confirm. The plugins show as successfully deleted. You now know how to deactivate or delete a WordPress plugin. Thank you for watching.